Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. In case by some chance you don't know this little orange thing is a fuse puller. It normally sits right there in your fuse panel. You take this, you push it down over the fuse, you grip it on both sides, you pull the fuse out. Nice and easy. You can also use it to install a fuse, slide it to the side, and handy little tool that's normally in the fuse box. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.